What is happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com, and today it's EDC with TC under 50 bucks. Let's light it up. So we posted a poll a while back asking you about this series and about what price ranges you wanted us to do this in. Now, you've already seen probably the video that we did, EDC under $100. I wanted to do it under $50, but I could tell by everyone's responses on YouTube and on Facebook that no one really thought it could be done. And I'm here to tell you it can. You're just going to have to make some sacrifices. I did. Here's what I came up with. Let's not waste any time. First and foremost, a wallet. The Gerber Barbell. This one's coming in at $8.99. $8.99. Stainless steel right there. Let's take a look at it up close. Now, this is, like I said, the Gerber Barbell Wallet Money Clip. And this is a fantastic option. So, stainless steel, 1.6 ounces. It's 3.5 inches by 2.25 inches right there. Has the built-in bottle opener on the back side. And it holds your cards nice and secure. Can hold cash as well. And can hold just about as many cards as you want to. Now, the cool thing about this is it can hold multiple cards, and it's also going to keep them flat. If you've ever carried a leather wallet and wanted to try to cut down the amount of cards, if you sit on it for any period of time, then you're going to end up bending your cards, you're going to end up breaking your cards, and then you're going to have to get more. And that's just a pain, because then one day you pull it out to try to use it at the store, and it won't swipe, or you can't use it, and it's not going to work. And that's just an inconvenience. Something like this is going to keep them nice and flat, not allow them to be broken, and going to keep them very secure, and also a very minimalistic footprint right there. I really dig that, and that's coming in at just $8.99. Now, up next is going to be a keychain, and I went with the doohickey from Night Eyes. Let's take a look at that one right there. So this doohickey is really, really cool. I really enjoy it. So this is a carabiner. It's got the 2-inch ruler on that side, which can really come in handy. It's got the pry bar, which I think is a very, very useful tool. I use a pry bar on a daily basis simply because your knife is not a pry tool. Your knife is not a pry tool, people. Don't use it as one. It's got the bottle opener right there, and it's got the hex wrenches built into it, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 right there inside the carabiner. And this is coming in at just $5.99. So right now, we're up to about $15, maybe a little bit under right there. And that means we've got $35 to play with. So I was then challenged, do I get 2 really cheap knives? Do I get you know, something a little bit more? Do I go with something modern? Or, since I really like to carry a multi-tool, do I get something that's going to try to fill all of those roles but still fit in that budget? If I can only carry one knife, and that's all I've got the budget for, that's all I've got the room for, it is absolutely all day, every day going to be a Victorinox. And with this one, it's going to be that Victorinox Red Hiker. Now, I really dig this. I think this is the best bang for your buck right here. Coming in at $35.99, it puts me right at that $50 mark. Let's take a look at what we've got right here in that Victorinox Hiker. So this one's going to be, like I said, $35.99, coming in with the stainless steel on the blades right there. You've got your pin blade and your main blade. Then you've got your small flathead screwdriver with the can opener on this side. We've got the bottle opener on this side, wire stripper, and large flathead screwdriver. You've got a saw, which can actually really come in handy. These are very useful saws that clean out the groove really well and pass through wood really, really good. Also got your Phillips head screwdriver and your awl, which is a very, very useful tool. A reamer and an awl punch. Fantastic tool that can be used for so many different things. Then, of course, with it being a Swiss Army knife, you've got your tweezers on that side, and you've got your toothpick on that side right there. So, again, fantastic option. I think this really covers it. Again, if I'm only going to have one knife, it's absolutely going to be a Victorinox. That's going to offer everything that I need it to and get most of the stuff that I need done. So I really dig that. Folks, let us know in the comments what you think about this grouping of EDC items. And if there's something else you would have swapped out that would have kept it under 50 bucks. Let us know what you think about this, and again, let us know also which price range you want to keep it in next time, because we're going to keep this series going and we're going to keep building with this EDC with TC series. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, like I said, let us know what you think about this EDC combination. As always, I'm TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a Victorinox in your EDC, then we carry it.